Hi guys, today I am in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm headed to a Dollar Tree. Very excited to see what the store is going on. You know, we'll see if they have the hand sanitizers. I really don't. I'm not gonna hold my breath. I'm not, because if I did, I'd be dead. So anyways, let's go to Dollar Tree. Alright guys, there it is behind the trees. Of course I'm traveling, so that basically means I can't take very much back with me, but we're still gonna look at some goodies. Wait, what? Okay, we're gonna get that. Oh my gosh, I was looking for these. Do they have strawberry? Yes. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh, if I was home, when I tell you, these would immediately be going back with me. Wait, what? Oh my god, are you kidding me? And no hand sanitizers, at least not in this section, but I'm gonna keep looking. That's cute. Ooh, that is really cute. Lots of really great bags, although overall the store is kind of all over the place. It's been a little picked over, so I'm not finding too much. Let's go down the bonus. Oh my gosh, look. It's a vacuum cleaner. Oh, they have a swimsuit cover up. Look at that, and in white. Ooh, look how cute those are. Watermelon bag. Let's see, that personal care has another thing of soap. This is mild soap. This is so pretty. They have Dove for men. Wow, look at these body washes. They look like dupes to something, but I can't quite put my hands on it. But they look like, oh, what's that brand? I don't remember. And look at this power stick. Peony coconut? Ooh. Alright, I should have gone over in this seat like I did last time, because let me just try to like move you guys, but my phone, okay, hopefully, there we go. That's so much better. Alright, so first of all, they were like blaring probably copyrighted music in there, so, and then there was just a lot of people, a lot of traffic, so it was just a little bit more difficult to grab any content for you guys. I'll show you guys what I got, because first things first, what is this? I've never seen this before. Wine Down, and look how they spelled wine. Antioxidant lip jellies. It's infused with red wine and hyaluronic acid. I have yet to even like see this floating around. So not to say that it hasn't been, but this is my first time ever seeing it. You get 8 lip jellies in here. What? It's infused with red wine and hyaluronic acid. But how does red wine, is that just like the antioxidant part? I don't know, got it. And then I decided to get this one because I knew that when I hauled it in Dallas, I was like, you know what? I was really regretting the fact that I didn't get more. And I thought, if I don't see this again, like, I'm gonna kick myself for it. Because in my last haul video on this, I discovered that they kind of have like this ephemera quality to them. You don't have to turn them into honeycombs if you don't want. You can just, you know, use these for junk journaling. So I just kind of told myself that if I saw it, I would just grab it. So that's what I did. Also, I'm so glad to be in Florida. Like, I know I left Florida and all I wanted to do was come back to Texas, but I've always loved Florida. Just because I moved doesn't mean I don't love Florida. It's just, you get what I'm saying? So, I love home. I just know I need to be home in Texas and that be my home base. But every time I come back to Florida, it has always, and it has felt like home. So, I just probably made no sense there. All right, then I found these. I was not expecting it, to be honest. I knew that the strawberry and lemons were floating around. They also had donuts, and they had like this diamond-y print. So I just stuck to these two by Be Pure. These are hot and cold iPads. The strawberries, though. Like, when I tell you, the moment I go back to my hotel room, plop. I mean, I bet even if they're not cold, it'll still feel good. So I'm gonna do those. And then I got these cuticle oil pens. I just brought mine. I have mine, and I even threw it in my purse. Look, hold on. Well, first of all, I got this from Dollar Tree, but this is my Carmex strawberry. Okay, this is so good. Love this. Then we all know this is in here. Like, you already knew that was in here, but this is my cuticle oil that I have with me. The Be Pure. This is the green aventurine. So, real rocks in that. Anyways, my point is, I have really been on a cuticle oil kick. I've honestly been so ashamed of how my nail bed looks. It still looks pretty janky. Like, I'm not gonna go up close. You're gonna see it anyways, but I'm trying. Okay, so anyways, I'm pretty sure I've hauled these. Pretty positive I've hauled these, but I have not seen them restocked for a long time. So this one is a lavender and this one is a mango. So I'm very excited. I know these can come back home with me on the plane because they're under the whatever. Then I got this. Now, this I already have at home. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it again for my trip because I should have packed it, but I didn't. So Ione put out this like Los Angeles, California themed set. I don't know if I can find the haul, but I'll link it down below so you guys can go see everything because I pretty much got most of the set. But I discovered after the video, I need to start showing you guys stuff. I don't know why I don't take stuff out of packaging in my videos, but I discovered after the fact that there's a little heart. But why is that so precious? So, okay, we're gonna smack her on. And this is a Weehoo. This car is like backing in and this guy is in a truck and he's gonna be like, what's this lady doing? But anyways, then the very last thing that I got was this lens cleaner. I thought it was just the spray bottle, but there's actually cleaner in it, which hence the name lens cleaner spray. But I just thought, you know what, that'd be great for traveling, especially me being in Florida right now. I could definitely use this for my sunglasses because they haven't been in their case. It's probably pretty scratched up. Like, I don't even know. Honestly, I should have also gotten like a cloth or something to clean my sunglasses with. So they're in my bag. But anyways, I don't know if that's going to be like it for this video and I'm keeping it short, or if I'm going to make it to another location before I head down to my next stop. So stay tuned to see what city is coming up, because I haven't been to this city since 2012. So I'm very excited. But yeah, so if I make it to another Fort Lauderdale Dollar Tree, that video is going to be attached to this. If not, this is probably the end. So I'll just say my goodbyes. If not, I'll just cut myself off here in editing. All right, guys, I actually made it to another Dollar Tree. So let's go in. It is lunchtime. It could be harder to film in there as well. I'll see, but let's pop in there and see what they got. Wow, this Dollar Tree is huge. Like, huge. Wow. And it's so clean. I might have just hit a jackpot. I want to go to the beauty section first, and then I'll come and take a look at everything else. Wait, look how cute this is. Alright, let's see. Oh, here's that body wash again, except it's Moonflower. I saw that one at the... Wait, was this one at the last one? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. White pine, spice citrus. I'm gonna get a pack of these for traveling. Of course, you know I always have to come here, but what is all of this? I haven't seen these at home. How cute. Little monsters. Funny food. Oh my gosh, I've not seen these at home. Wait, what's this? What? They're notebooks. Okay, I've never seen these before. And they're shaped cards. I also have them in that one. What? Wait, a velvet cup holder? Wow. So cute. They still have these. Love those. See, this store is also mixing the bigger items, and they're not even calling it bonus. They're calling it more choices. I don't know, you guys. I don't know about that. I'm still... Ooh, they have these here as well. God, I wish I could take those home with me. I'm not seeing the hand sanitizers, but I didn't think that I would. Look at these sunglass cases. So cute. I'm gonna get a black one. And I'm gonna check over here now for the hand sanitizers. See if there's like any being hidden. I'm just not seeing them. Oh, the buttons. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen a card one in so long. Should I get it? I'm gonna get it. Oh my god. A bug zapper for $1.25? Alright, so once again, it was just a lot going on in there. I feel like the ship for the hand sanitizers has sailed, but I did get these. I mean, these are just always there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually not a fan of hand sanitizers, even though I've been on the hunt for this. I only use it like when absolutely necessary. But even I know that like those Be Pure hand sanitizer mists are a great find for $1.25 because the Touchland ones are pretty expensive. So it would have been nice to have found it. I've seen some of them being up for sale for more than $1.25. I guess people are buying them and reselling them on eBay and like Poshmark, so that's happening. But anyways, yeah, I would be very surprised if I ended up finding them. So I'm in Florida. I'm gonna go pack this in my suitcase, my buttons. But hey, these are really hard to find in Dallas. Like, they're only black now. Like, finding the colored ones are so hard. And then I actually saw this card at the last Dollar Tree, but I was already in line. I didn't want to, like, you know, make a ruckus to go get it. And so I saw it at this Dollar Tree and decided to get it. I thought it was really cute. I can definitely peel this off and, like, work with it in a different way for junk journaling. It doesn't have to be, like, just a Mother's Day card. So I got that. And then because I talked about my sunglasses, I just got, like, a little travel case and this black lizard. I don't even know what that is. And then I did get some of these. Again, just eyeglass cleaning cloth. I got in this blue color, black, and yellow. And then that's it. That's what I got. Unfortunately, there wasn't anything, one, that I could travel with, or I would have taken home way more. there wasn't anything in the beauty section that I already didn't have. So it was just one of those trips. But that's it, you guys, for Dollar Tree Shop with me in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I am heading to another city. If you can guess what city that is, comment down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.